Imagine falling into a star, not just any star but an O-type star, a celestial giant burning with unimaginable fury. It's a terrifying thought, a cosmic nightmare from which there is no escape. The sheer power of these stellar behemoths is enough to make the most daring space traveler shudder. But what if we could understand this terrifying fate, even for a fleeting moment? Let's take a journey, a thought experiment if you will, into the heart of this cosmic inferno and explore the forces that would unravel us. Our guide will be the cold, hard truths of astrophysics, a field that often reveals the universe to be as terrifying as it is beautiful. O-type stars are the rarest and most massive stars in the universe. They shine with a blue-white light and are incredibly hot, with surface temperatures exceeding 30,000 degrees Celsius. These stars are so luminous that they can be seen from millions of light-years away, outshining entire galaxies. The intense radiation from an O-type star can strip the atmosphere from a planet, leaving it barren and lifeless. The powerful stellar winds can erode even the most resilient materials, making survival near such a star nearly impossible. As you approach the star, the heat becomes unbearable. The radiation would fry any electronics, and the gravitational forces would begin to stretch and compress your body in a process known as spaghettification. The closer you get, the more intense these effects become. The light from the star would be blinding, and the heat would incinerate anything in its path. Even the most advanced spacesuit would offer no protection. Scientists study these stars to understand their life cycles and the role they play in the evolution of galaxies. Despite their destructive power, O-type stars are essential for creating the heavy elements that make up planets and life itself. Imagine a spaceship approaching an O-type star. The journey would be fraught with danger, but the knowledge gained could be invaluable. Understanding these stars helps us learn about the origins of the universe and the forces that shape it. Astrophysicists use advanced telescopes and computer models to study these stars from a safe distance. Their research helps us understand the fundamental processes that govern the universe. The universe is a place of both beauty and terror. O-type stars are a perfect example of this duality. They are magnificent to behold, yet they possess the power to destroy anything that comes too close. By studying them, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and majesty of the cosmos. O-type stars are the rock stars of the cosmos, young, massive, and incredibly hot. These celestial giants are born from the densest regions of molecular clouds where gravity pulls together vast amounts of gas and dust. As they ignite, they shine with a brilliant blue hue, a testament to their extreme temperatures and immense energy output. Their luminosity is so intense that they can be seen from millions of light-years away, outshining entire galaxies in their brilliance. They dwarf our sun in both size and temperature. An O-type star can be up to 90 times more massive than our sun, and can emit up to 1,000,000 times more light. This sheer scale is almost incomprehensible, making our sun look like a mere speck in comparison. While our sun simmers at a comfortable 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit on its surface, an O-type star boasts a surface temperature of over 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This incredible heat is generated by the nuclear fusion processes at the star's core, where hydrogen atoms are fused into helium, releasing vast amounts of energy. That's hotter than the core of a supernova explosion. When these stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they often end their lives in spectacular supernovae, outshining entire galaxies for a brief moment and scattering heavy elements across the cosmos. Imagine the heat radiating from a blast furnace, the intense, searing heat that can melt metal and turn rock into liquid. Now, multiply that heat thousands of times over. The energy output of an O-type star is so immense that it can strip away the atmospheres of nearby planets, rendering them barren and lifeless. That's the kind of heat we're talking about. The kind of heat that can warp space-time and create powerful stellar winds that blow at speeds of thousands of kilometers per second. Long before you even get close to an O-type star, you'd be cooked from the inside out, your body reduced to a mere wisp of ash. The radiation alone would be enough to disintegrate any form of life, making these stars some of the most inhospitable places in the universe. But the intense heat is just the beginning of our troubles. These stellar giants don't just emit visible light, they pump out a deadly cocktail of radiation, including gamma rays. Gamma rays are the most energetic form of light, capable of shredding through matter like a hot knife through butter. On Earth, our atmosphere protects us from the sun's harmful radiation. But out there, facing an O-type star head-on, there's no such protection. The gamma rays would bombard your body, tearing apart your DNA, scrambling your cells, and shutting down your organs in an instant. As if the heat and radiation weren't enough, O-type stars also possess incredibly powerful magnetic fields, thousands of times stronger than our sun's. These fields are in constant flux, generating violent solar flares and coronal mass ejections that could engulf entire planets. But the real danger lies in the magnetic fields themselves. These fields are so strong that they could distort the very atoms that make up your body. Imagine your atoms, the fundamental building blocks of your being twisted and pulled apart by invisible forces. It's a gruesome and surreal way to go. Section 5. The inevitable dissolution. So let's recap. You're falling towards an O-type star. The heat is unimaginable, the radiation is lethal, and the magnetic fields are tearing you apart at an atomic level. What's left? Not much, I'm afraid. Your body, once a marvel of organic machinery, would be reduced to a scattered cloud of atoms, dispersed into the stellar wind of the giant star. No trace of you would remain, no memory, no legacy, just a fleeting whisper in the cosmic wind. It's a humbling and terrifying thought, a stark reminder of the immense power of the universe and the fragility of our own existence. Section 6. A universe of indifference. The death we've just explored is not some dramatic Hollywood ending. It's a cold, hard, scientific reality. The universe, for all its beauty and wonder, is also a place of immense indifference. It cares not for our existence, nor does it mourn our passing. This realization can be both liberating and terrifying. It strips away our illusions of grandeur and forces us to confront our own mortality. But it also allows us to appreciate the preciousness of life, the fleeting moments of joy and connection that make our existence meaningful. Section 7. A spectacle from afar. But let's shift our perspective for a moment. Imagine observing this cosmic annihilation from a safe distance, say, a nearby star system. What would we see? A brilliant flash of light as your body is vaporized. A brief flicker against the backdrop of the O-type star's immense luminosity. It would be a spectacular sight, a testament to the raw power of the universe. And yet, it would also be a silent death, a whisper lost in the cosmic void. There would be no fanfare, no eulogy, just the relentless march of time and the indifference of the cosmos. Section 8. Our place in the cosmos. So, what can we learn from this morbid thought experiment? When we ponder the vastness of the universe, it can be overwhelming. The sheer scale of it all, the billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars and countless planets, makes our existence seem almost insignificant. For one, it underscores our place in the universe, a small, fragile species on a tiny planet orbiting an average star. The famous pale blue dot photograph taken by the Voyager 1 spacecraft shows Earth as a mere speck in the vastness of space, a humbling reminder of our minuscule presence. We are but a speck of dust in the grand scheme of things, our lives a fleeting moment in cosmic history. The universe is ancient, spanning billions of years, and our time here is but a blink of an eye. Yet this perspective can also be profoundly enlightening. But this realization should not fill us with despair. Instead, it should inspire a sense of wonder and curiosity. The beauty of a sunrise over Earth, the mesmerizing dance of the aurora borealis, and the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet are all miracles in their own right. Instead, it should inspire us to cherish the time we have, to appreciate the moments of joy and connection we share with others. Whether it's gazing at the stars with loved ones, exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, or simply marveling at the night sky, these experiences enrich our lives. To live our lives to the fullest, embracing the wonder and beauty that surrounds us. The night sky, with its countless stars, serves as a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our world, and to explore the universe with wonder and humility. Our quest for knowledge, our desire to understand the cosmos, drives us to push the boundaries of what is possible. From the Hubble Space Telescope capturing breathtaking images of distant galaxies to space probes venturing into the unknown, our exploration is a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. For in the face of the cosmos' indifference, our own existence becomes all the more precious. The vastness of space may seem indifferent to our presence, but it is this very indifference that makes our lives, our experiences, and our connections with one another so meaningful. In the grand tapestry of the universe, we find our place, not in our size or duration, but in the depth of our experiences and the love we share. Section 9. Dare to imagine. The next time you gaze up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the vastness and power of the universe. Think about the O-type stars, those cosmic infernos burning billions of miles away. And remember, our understanding of the cosmos is constantly evolving. New discoveries await, new mysteries to unravel. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the universe and our place within it.